Hello guys, today we are talking about entity relationship diagrams known as ERD. ERD is a data modeling technique that graphically illustrates an information system entities and the relationship between those entities. Today we are creating an example how to use the ERD symbols and etc. These are the entity symbols. Entity strong entity, these shapes are independent from the other entities are often called parent entities since they will have often weak entities that depend on them. And these are the attribute symbol. Attribute symbols are the characteristics of the and many-to-many relationship or one-to-one relationship. Cardinality, ordinality, and we can use and I can give you an example of this how to use this cardinality and ordinality using for the next example we have create. So this is one many 1 0 or 1 or many 0 or many. So this have I have a example of hospital flow. Example how to use the ERD cardinality and how to use the entities and their relationship. Relationship. These are my example. We know that our entity is the patient. Patient is the we need is the patient ID, doctor name, date admitted, and date checkout. This relationship is goes to the test. This is example of my hospitalized. When is admit the patient is go to the test. Test is have test database or entities has the field or field or ID, doctor's patient date, test date, test time, and the result. And then this test is going to the doctor. Doctor entity should be the another database which we can access this from test to doctor. This giving is DSS name specialization. We know that this patient is the only one, so we are using this as a cardinality is 1. And we are using this as the cycle is called a 0 to many, which means is the needs of the test is 0 and the minimum is 0 and the maximum is infinite. So this is why we call this the 0 to many. And this test is we are distribute is as a single while it's the input is 0 to many. We are use is cardinality because the relationship of this has a flow to use this cycle to use to build tradition in order to create uh, to manage the flow of the patient. And guys, that's all. Thank you for today.